Hello students, welcome to Sonu's Learning World. Today we are discussing miscellaneous exercise on chapter 3, that is matrix chapter of class 12. Okay, so let's read the 7th question, students. For what values of x this matrix 1 2 1 into the matrix 1 2 0 2 0 1 1 0 2 into 0 to x, that is equal to 0. So, if you are multiplying these three matrices, the answer is equal to 0. So, the answer will be 0. We can equate the multiplication, that is we can equate the solution of this matrix with 0, and from that we have to find the value of x. Okay, so that is a question. So, first let us multiply these matrices. So, here I am going to multiply this matrix and this matrix first, and the answer of this particular matrix I am multiplying with the third matrix. Okay. So students, what is the order of this particular matrix? It has how many rows? It has a 1 row and 3 columns. So this is a 1 by 3 matrix. Okay, and about this matrix, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So if I multiply these two matrices, what will be the order of the resulting matrix? So 1 by 3 and 3 by 3. Okay students, so I am taking this 3 and 3 away, so this will be the order of the resulting matrix. The order of the resulting matrix is 1 by 3. Okay, the answer will be a 1 by 3 matrix. Okay students, so let me multiply these two matrices. Okay, so I am taking the first row and the first column. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Okay, and the same row and the second column. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 1 into 0. Next, first row and the third column. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2. Okay, so this is my matrix. Okay students, here there is only one row, so that's it, and the resulting matrix will be a 1 by 3 matrix. Yeah, it has only one row and it has 3 columns. Okay, we have to simplify later. Okay, and into what is a matrix here? It is 0 to x. Okay, so that is equal to 0. So next let me simplify this. So students, here I get 1 plus, this is 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus, here it is 1, here also 1. So 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, here these two terms 0, so what is remaining? 2 is remaining. Okay, here this is equal to 0, so 2 into 1 2, and 1 into 2 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4. So 4 into this matrix 0 to x. Okay, that matrix is equal to 0. Okay students, so this matrix also we have to multiply. So what is the order of this matrix students? It has 1 row and 3 columns, 1 by 3. So what is the order of this matrix? It has 1 2 3 rows and 1 column. Okay, so it is a 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, so here we have 1 by 3 matrix and 3 by 1 matrix. Okay, so what will be the order of the resulting matrix students? So I am taking this 3 and 3 away. So the resulting matrix has an order 1 by 1. Okay, it is a 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, so let us multiply this matrices. Okay, so 6 into 0 plus 2 into 2 plus 4 into x, that is equal to 0. Okay students, we can equate this to 0. So this is equal to 0. 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 plus 4x, that is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to minus 4, and x is equal to minus 4 by 4, that is minus 1. Okay students, so we got the value of x. X is equal to minus 1. Let's read the next question students. 8th question. If a is equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2, show that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Okay, so we have to show that a square minus 5a plus 7i is equal to 0. Okay students, so first let us find what is a square. Okay, so Answer A is equal to 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Okay, students. So how can we find A square? A square is equal to A into A. So we have to multiply A and A, minus 1, 2 into 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Okay, students. So when you multiply these two matrices, the resulting answer will be 8, 5, minus 5 and 3. So this is the answer of A square. Okay, so let us substitute the values inside this particular equation. Okay, so A square minus 5i, A square minus 5a, it is 5a plus 7i, plus 7i is equal to 0. That we have to prove. Okay, so A square is, we got the value of A square, 8, 5 minus 5 and 3. Okay, minus 5 into A is this, 3, 1 minus 1, 2. Okay, 3, 1 minus 1, 2 plus 7 into I is our identity matrix, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so let us multiply these matrices. So first let me multiply this 5 inside in this matrix and this 7 inside this matrix. Okay, so that is equal to 8, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 5 into 3, 15. 5, we have to multiply this 5 with each and every element inside this matrix. Okay, so this will become minus 5 and this will become 10, plus here also same, 7, 0, 0, 7. Okay, so students, here I am going to add these two matrices. Okay, so this is plus, I am taking this matrix 7, 0, 0, 7 minus 15, 5 minus 5, 10. Okay, I have arranged. Okay, so here what is my answer? 8 plus 7 is 15, 5 plus 0 is 5, minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5, 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay, so minus what is remaining? 15, 5 minus 5, 10. Okay, students, what is the answer of this? This is 15, this is 15. 15 minus 15, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Minus 5, minus 5, 0. 10 minus 10, 0. So, what is our answer? Our answer is a 0 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so our answer is 0. Hence, proved. That's it. Let's read the next question. Question number 9. Find x if x minus 5 minus 1 into this matrix is equal to 0. Same type question. We did this type of question in last session. That is question number, I think question number 7 was the same kind of question. So, here also we have to multiply two matrices. Okay, I am going to multiply this matrix and this matrix. Okay, so after multiplication I am going to find the value of x. Okay, students, so let me multiply this matrices. Okay, so my answer, I am going to multiply this matrix and this matrix. Okay, so this is a 1 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so 1 by 3 and 3 by 3. So the resulting matrix is a 1 by 3 matrix. It has 1 row and 3 columns. Okay, so let me multiply x into 1 minus 5 into 0 minus 1 into 2. X into 0 minus 5 into 2 minus 1 into 0. Next, x into 2 minus 5 into 1 minus 1 into 3. Okay, that's it. Into this matrix x 4, 1. Okay, that is equal to 0. Okay, so next is, let me simplify. This is equal to x and this is minus 2. So my answer is x minus 2. Okay, so this is 0. This is minus 10. Okay, so this is only minus 10 is remaining here. Minus, this is also equal to 0. So minus 10. Here 2x is there, minus 5 is there, minus 3 is there. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 2x minus 8. Okay, so 2x minus 8 into this matrix x 4 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, next we are going to multiply these two matrices. This is a 1 by 3 matrix and this is a 3 by 1 matrix. 1 by 3 and 3 by 1. So the resulting matrix is a 1 by 1 matrix. Okay, so let me multiply this. X minus 2 here. So x minus 2 into, here it is x, minus 10 into 4 plus 2x minus 8 into 1, that is equal to 0. Okay, next I am going to multiply this x inside the bracket. Okay, so it is x square minus 2x minus 40 plus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. So here 2x and 2x I cancelled. So x square minus 40 plus 8 is 48. That is equal to 0. So x square minus 48 is equal to 0. So x square can be written as plus 48. So x is, we have to take the root of this 48. Okay, so I am going to factorize 2, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3s are 6. So 3, 1 is 3. Okay, so next how can we take the value? I have to take this. From here I can take 1, 2. From here I can take 1, 2 and 1, 3 is remaining. So 2 into 2 is 4. And what is remaining? 3 is remaining, root 3. Okay, students. So this is x square is equal to 48. So we have to write x is equal to plus or minus 4 root 3. So the value of x is plus or minus 4 root 3. Okay. So students, if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.